This is Oscar Carmona from Healing Grounds Biodynamic Nursery located in Goleta, California. Now I'd like to talk to you about indoor tomato growing tips. Certainly growing or germinating your tomato seeds indoors can be an advantage because tomatoes generally need temperature ranges for germination in the upper 70s to low 80s. And so finding a place around your water heater and your washroom and in and around your kitchen can be wonderfully suitable for successful seed germination where outdoor temperatures might not allow. Your tomato seedlings indoors can afford you the opportunity to get a jump start on your growing season, especially if you live in an area where you have a limited growing opportunity. Growing your seedlings indoors can sometimes gain up to 4 to 6 weeks of time that will then allow you to maximize on your production in a limited growing season outdoors. If you are growing in a greenhouse such as we are here today, can allow you the opportunity to grow tomatoes over winter and deep into the fall months and early into the spring time, and thus extending your seasons on both ends of the calendar for opportunities to enjoy tomatoes a majority of the year. This is Oscar Carmona, and I just spoke to you about growing tomatoes indoors.